do you got over there?
I got juice coming through here.
You got juicy. Color is it? It's not juice, that's bubbles.
Oh, we're getting there. It's wetter than it was before.
It's got something in it at least, huh?
Yeah.
I think air leak's what you got. Uh-oh, we already got a leak.
Oh, shoot.
Didn't take long.
You see we got fluid that far.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yep.
Okay, I'm going to stop here then.
Sure, the chrome fitting is leaking. I know it's a real shocker. It's hard to believe that chrome leaks. Okay, what do we got for holding that? Big hammer. Yeah, I know that thing's tight.
Yeah.
Because I tightened it. Tighter.
More?
Yep. Go until it quits leaking, that's all you can do. Can't go any tighter, we gotta do this, gotta take it back apart. It needs more than this. That's why I didn't put the kickstand on the shifter. A little access to this one, go the other way. Sure it'd be good. How about the fitting behind the pipe up there? Oh, you got them stupid gloves on, you can't tell me damn gloves on. Oh, look at that, there's no leak.
That's a good thing.
Okay, you got a fluid yet?
Yes.
You got any fluid over there yet?
It's pulling.
Okay. Oh, look at it dropped. About 1/8 of an inch. It was full. Oh, look at that. No leak. Dry on this side. Move. Is it dropping? You get any fluid over there yet?
Yeah, it's getting fluid. Let me lock it down and hit the brake pedal, see if it does
I think we
anything.
should lock it down and try that.
Okay, it's tight.
Okay, let's see if there's any bubbles first. No bubbles. Okay, pop it, see we got something over here. Close her up.
Okay.
We got a whole hell of a lot of mush. At least we have something though. Hit it. Lock her down.
Okay.
A lot of vacuum in the system.
Do what?
A lot of vacuum back in there. Are you using any air or just fluid coming out?
It's kind of hard to say. It seems like you're getting something past the tube. So
Try it.
a little bit of air.
Okay. Shut.
Yep.
Pedal doesn't exactly go back real quick. Means we're pulling a hell of a vacuum for some reason. Try it again. Okay, close it.
Okay. Didn't get anything that time.
Broke it. You got the valve open again over there?
No, I was going to pump it on this thing and get the fluid out of the way.
Nothing but air that time. Whatever we did, that did not help at that time.
Tell me if you want me to crack it again.
I gotta build it up. Okay, hit it.
A little bit of air that time.
Okay, shut it off.
It's off.
A little better that time, but still got air in it. Hit it. Keep going.
What's that?
Keep going. Shut it down.
Just tight.
Need to give it a good shot of high arc, high blast. Heavy fluid movement will push air through the system, or fluid will just go underneath the air otherwise. Okay, open it real quick. Close it.
Get it.
What came out?
A little bit of air.
We got nothing but air in the system right now. Vacuum. Closed over there, aren't you?
I'm closed as far as I can tell.
There it goes. A lot of vacuum behind the system. Okay, we built back up again. We're not getting any backflow though, so I know it's got issues. Okay, do that again. Close it.
Get it.
Any more come out of it?
A little bit of air.
Okay, hit it again. Okay. Anything out there?
A little bit. Another bubble. Any better?
Okay, hit it. I had to build it back up.
It's quick.
Yep.
And a bubble out of it.
Okay. The piston doesn't really turn, it's just drawing a suction. It's not releasing on this side. Acts like the springs been there aren't doing shit back in the shoes. Came back a little quicker that time. A little bit better. Again. Close it.
Got it.
Nothing. Right to the bottom. Build up. It takes 3 pumps before the piston returns all the way back and lets fluid in the damn system. Just draws a big vacuum.
Well, that master's got to work better than the other one that was on there.
Feels pretty solid. One more, slower this time. Faster than that. Any air coming out?
Yeah, I got a couple bubbles.
Okay, shut it off.
It's off.
If we're getting bubbles, we're still getting bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, I don't know if you're inducing bubbles over there. Feels pretty solid here. It doesn't pump up anymore. So it's not shooting fluid up my face like it should either. Okay, do it again. Anything?
Nothing.
Okay, close it.
Closed.
I think we got what we got. It's pretty solid
Yeah.
for what it is.
I'll take your word for it.
For a modern bike, it's mushy as hell, but for an old bike, it's good. Did you make a mess?
Screw dog.
There we go. A little bit of an air gap in the reservoir, but it's pretty much full. Maybe about 1/8 inch below the thread for air. Is there any leakage on that front one over there?
Okay.
Is there any leakage under that front line?
Seems to be.
Leaking still?
This what this would be.
Yeah. Damn it. Alright. That's going to be a problem until I decide to quit leaking. That's going to be a problem. Fairly wet.
I just wiped it off.
I'm going to give it 3 pumps and see if it's wet.
Okay.
Emergency stopping pressure there. Not like it's gushing, but it is seepage. Not likely it's going to get any better. It's pretty damn tight. It's just that stupid ass chrome supply. A little bit more. Try it again. Never does pop any more than what it is. A little bit.
That chrome T, huh?
It's chrome everything. Chrome line, chrome T. It's just chrome, chrome, chrome. They are what they are. Backside's not leaking. It's just the front line. Someone does a little scratch or something, because that's not really, that's a lot of pressure I'm putting on the pedal. It's more than you're going to use probably going down the road, but it doesn't matter. Over time it'll still seep.
Right.
Eventually it will corrode itself and probably slow down, maybe. It is there. What I do is take it apart and see what it looks like, but I don't think you're going to see anything. Like you can put sealer on it. Inverted flare, you can't do anything with it, so whatever you got's what you got. screws easily. The first problem, you got no room to even take the thing out of here. Very little clearance. Once it comes out, it might not go back anyway.
I'm thinking 3 others.
I know there's nothing to do about it, I know that. Should sound like you can seal it. See the nuts getting highly loaded. It's got some serious pressure on there. We're collapsing down the tube a little bit. We didn't make a damn drop taking it apart.
Hmm.
Let's see what happens this time. Shit, it'll feel better over here. It's actually higher up. Heavy stopping. Look at that.
Magic.
Probably left it loose the first time.
They just wanted more attention.
Blow a damn line off pushing that hard on it.
All good?
Seems to be doing something. I got chrome on my finger.
Hmm.
Does that count? Seems to be a little bit better.
Good, good, good.
Definitely laying on the brake pretty hard. Way more pressure than it takes to lock that thing.
Everything else seems good over here.
No leakage on the back anywhere.
Very nice, see?
Nice and dry. Good, good, good. Nothing underneath. Oh, it's all good. All right, we have some success back here.
Them's the brakes.
Is the wheel in the air?
You know what?
Wheel's on the ground, isn't it?
It is.
I don't think I got any open lifts right now. They're all buried someplace. Jack this thing up and see if the brake works. All my jacks are being used. Let's see. I can't put this one on the ground, I guess. Uh-oh, somebody stole my damn handle. Got a crescent over there?
Who what?
Got a 12-inch crescent?
Ba-dum.
Here. Not there.
There it is. Right where you left it.
Okay, I need a foot wide spot, big jack.
You know what?
I need a foot wide spot, big jack.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
All right.
Coming through. There's not a wide load.
Bring it on.
You didn't clean the rack off. It's filthy. Wipe that under there real quick. Okay. Wide load. Oh, I got oil on the bench now. Must have oil on my jack. Terrible thing. Heavy bike. Get it way up in the air.
Okay, it's in the air.
More than the height of my finger. Let's get all the way up in the air and clean the oil out. Some oil and the residue back here. Let's
Happy now?
Oh, well. And the rack off will be happy.
Want to do this leftover fluid and put that back in the bottle?
Reuse it. It's in the bottle, wasn't it? Okay, why don't you wipe that mess off back there? Looks like somebody left a big mess. What's this? Ooh, that's nice. Where'd that come from? Appears to be an oil leak under the bike back there. Was that transmission gusher we had, probably?
It must be.
Yeah.
Leftovers from that leaky oil bag.
Probably. There you go. It's all off.
This is nuts, you think?
Ooh, look at that. That's a nice nut. It's well lubed. I'm going to take a nut out of the bag and throw the wheelie bag away.
Yeah, that'd be a good call.
That's a really nice nut.
Yeah.
Looks like the one that holds the rear bag, the swing arm back there. Is that being held in?
You just rag wipe the bench down.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's all freaking nasty wire.
that's why I flipped it over. Looks like you got a chrome nut on there now. Upgrade. We'll throw that in the extra pile. Well, you didn't clean this out of it, right? This is really dirty over here. All right. Turn the wheels. Turn.
It does.
It's a little hard.
It stops.
Yep, didn't go very good. Should be a little bit easier turn than that. When was the last time you adjusted them brakes? I can hear the dragging right here. Yeah, that was a heavy drag. Where's your square socket?
Was just here.
You just had it?
Use the just use the 3/8 side of a socket and put it on there backwards.
Screws in the way too if you use that socket. Yeah, all kinds of plans.
7/16.
I don't know, you said it was 3/8. Now you're lying to me?
No, I guess I was right.
Okay, which way are we going to go?
The right way.
Ran out of room. How about this one? Oh, that one appears to be pretty tight. Oh, the whole damn thing's tight. That's probably why that one's rounded off.
Hmm.
Oh, it moved. Turn it. Freer?
It does appear to be.
Yeah, there you go. The brakes are on the eccentric, so as you move them out, they get tight, and you move them back a little bit. It gives you some clearance. They'll rub in from there.
Does it brake feel now?
I have to get all over this on the bike. I don't know why it's brake on this side. Releasing good?
Yeah, seems to be.
Brake looks good.
In like Flynn.
We have brakes. We can ride the bike now.
We'll just stop anyways.
We have no front brake. We have a rear brake. Okay, how's our line over here? Zipper. I'd probably put a zip tie on that or something so